According to me, passion project is something which we are very passionate about and we will always take action on. Passion project for me is saving oceans. I have always been passionate about saving oceans ever since I was a little kid. Now, when I got this opportunity, I jumped to it. I will always take action on it.
Passion project because we are passionate about some or the other thing, and I'm passionate about AI, so I'm gonna present on it. The IBVIP gives us an opportunity to present on our passion on our project.
I am very passionate about my passion project. It is a huge opportunity for me. It allowed me to be an inquirer with my research skills, and it also gave me an opportunity to be a communicator to spread awareness about the impact of my topic.
In my PYP exhibition journey, my journey has taught me to seek answers for my own questions, which has driven the quality of an inquirer in me. My exhibition journey has also enhanced my research skills and has made me an independent learner.